Hi, and welcome to Lit and Comp 2. Today we're going to be going through your first project, which is called your Self Advocate Project. So I'm going to go through your instructions and your requirements for each part. So this is your Self Advocate Project worth 50 points. And the objective of this assignment is to encourage you to become an effective self advocate by addressing various situations in school and life that would require problem solving and assertiveness. You'll analyze three scenarios and identify potential challenges and propose strategies advocating for yourselves in each situation. So each scenario is worth 25 points, and each scenario will have three prompts attached. It is important that you respond to each of those prompts in 1 to 2 sentences. So, not 1 to 2 sentences total, but 1 to 2 sentences for each prompt. Do your best to use proper grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and provide clear, concise responses to support your answers with logical reasoning. So each scenario will have at least 3 to 6 sentences in your response. And your total points will be 50 points. Scenario 1 says you receive a grade on a recent assignment that you believe is lower than what you deserve. You want to discuss this with your teacher. So prompt 1 says identify the challenges you may face when approaching your teacher about your grade. Make sure to respond to this in 1 to 2 sentences. Prompt 2 says describe how you would advocate for yourself to discuss the grade and potentially have it reconsidered. You should also be responding to this prompt in 1 to 2 sentences. And prompt 3 is explain why it is important to communicate your concerns about your academic performance. So this entire response should include about 3 to 6 sentences if you're answering all three prompts. You may also record your responses as long as you're meeting those sentence requirements. Now, scenario 2 says extracurricular participation. You're interested in joining a school club or sports team, but you're not sure how to get involved. Identify the challenges of getting involved in extracurricular activities. So that's prompt 1, you'll be responding in 1 to 2 sentences. For prompt 2, describe how you would advocate for yourself to explore and join a club or team of your choice. That is also going to be responded in 1 to 2 sentences. And then prompt 3 says explain how participation in extracurricular activities can enrich your school experience. You'll also be responding to that in 1 to 2 sentences. So again, just like scenario 2, you'll have 3 to 6 sentences to complete this scenario. Then you have an extra credit opportunity. Anything that is extra credit is always optional. So for 10 extra credit points, you can respond to this prompt. You're facing peer pressure to engage in activities or behaviors that make you uncomfortable. How would you advocate for yourself to make responsible choices and stand up to peer pressure? And what is the importance of maintaining your values and personal boundaries? So there is no minimum to what you can write here. It's up to you. And you also may record your answer as long as you are answering thoroughly. So these are the instructions to your Project 1 Self Advocate Project worth 50 points.